the divine masculine, the victim, the villain? Are you, as a divine feminine, painting the masculine as the victim or the villain? Because let me tell you, they are neither. They are you at a soul level. And let me tell you another important thing about this journey. Divine masculine is your signpost. They are your signpost. They will always show you and guide you on this journey. Don't think that divine masculine is not doing any of the work. Don't paint them as the victim, i.e. they can't leave because of this, or my divine masculine is this. They are neither. They are you at soul level. Wherever you see them as separate to you, and this is another key thing here, wherever you see them as separate to you, i.e. talking about them as my divine masculine or the masculine or their name or whatever label you've put onto them, you are in separation consciousness. This is not a normal relationship. This is an activation. It is an awakening. Now, you can stay in separation consciousness, but the key to the journey is you've had soul recognition. When you've had soul recognition, wherever you see them as separate to you or feel that they are separate to you, it will cause you endless pain and endless looping. This is about coming into unity, union, conscious frequency. You cannot do this while you see them as separate to you. And let me tell you that this isn't just about the divine masculine. This is about everything in your very being. You are now shifting from that very dense carbon being energy into a multidimensional soul-led way of being. This is not an easy transition to go through. In fact, this journey is the hardest journey that you will ever go on. In those first few weeks of separation, when the identity is collapsing and the nervous system is deregulating like you have never felt before, you will barely be able to clean your teeth. You will barely be able to function. Because you are now going through a full collapse of the identity. You are now going through rapid energetic shifts. And you will see it. You will see it in your emotional body. You will see it in the physical body. A lot of the time, you will hear divine feminine say, I rapidly lost weight or I rapidly gained weight. My hair changed. My skin changed. Everything in my world started to rapidly energetically change. This is because you are now on a deep transformation, and it is happening at each level of the bodies, i.e. the mental, the emotional, the physical, the spiritual, and the soul level energy. Everything is starting to change. So how you see the world, how you operate in the world. But wherever you see and project that energy that divine masculine is separate to you, you will stay in that endless pain of endless searching, obsessive energy, going over and over the Groundhog Day again and again and again. This is about an energetic shift that you will take. And it doesn't happen quickly, fast. It's not an instant thing. It is a journey of unbecoming. It is knowing that you are everything but equally nothing. And really, as I say, divine masculine is signposting you. Every single day, they are signposting you deeper into self. You will see those signs, those synchronicities, whether it's in music, in numbers. They will guide you deeper into self. But we have been conditioned to look outside of the self, searching for the answers outside of the self, On this journey, the only way in this journey is to go within. Only when you start to realize that every answer that you have sought has always been within you. How do you connect with divine masculine? And this is another key thing. You don't connect through what you're saying. You don't connect by two beings coming into one. You connect on a soul vibration. It is the soul that does the work. And you're learning how to balance that shared energetic field here in the 3D. That is not easy because you mirror and you hold the same core wounds, you hold the same frequency, you trigger really easy. And so it's learning how to work with those triggers, to allow those triggers to dissipate away. And as they dissipate away, hold the frequency. And guess what? Divine masculine then will come back in. But the thing is, divine feminine, you want to control. You want to explain everything to divine masculine. This journey is not about explaining. This is about you holding your energetic frequency, holding that energy so the divine masculine feels safe. As your nervous system regulates, guess what? Their nervous system regulates. As their nervous system, and here's another key thing, your nervous system will regulate, and that will mean that you won't need to reach out to them as much. You won't see them as that comfort blanket. They, in turn, when their system regulates, they will feel safe to move forward. But if you start to overpower with your nervous system, they will pull back. So it's about holding that energy, observing. And remember, you cannot mess up the journey. This is a forward moving journey. Yes, sometimes we can prolong the journey, but the journey is always moving forward. So check in on self, check in. Where is my soul frequency? How is my alignment with soul right now? Where is my nervous system? Where is my heart frequency right now? How am I aligning with my soul purpose? Because one of the things that gets activated on this journey and why it is activated is for divine to align with your soul purpose. You're here to be in service, to help the whole expansion of the cosmos. And one of the things is, how am I serving? How am I making the world a better place? How am I showing up each day? While ever you are focused thinking that the journey is solely about union, how do I get? You are not doing the truth of the journey. You are in the distortion. If you need more help and support on the journey, the A to Z of the journey, and you are looking for that support, that help to help you shift and really shift, so you go into 2026 in a completely different energy and frequency, and you start to shift into that magnetic frequency, and that magnetic frequency brings divine masculine in on a soul frequency, then my website is there. My Twin Flame course is there. It is the A to Z. As soon as you access it, you get lifetime access, so you can go back each time divine masculine comes in and you start to learn how to balance the frequency. You can go back and go, this is what I need to do now. It's there to help and support you, to give you that shift so you get out of endless searching, you get out of looping, and you get out of the pain, and you start to step fully into your power. From my heart to your heart, I send you much love. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. Have a blessed day.